Welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. It's time for our postcard challenge 2026 Happy Meal unboxing. Last time I'd shown you Jovi's and Dana's. They're now in our book. Let me close this up and then we will take a look at our new entry, which comes from a really long time crafty friend of mine, and it's Terry from Talon's Place. So here it is. I just wanted to show you how she's beautifully decorated this envelope pouch with stickers. We have cake, and then on the flip side she added more goodies. And how fun is that? I would probably cut these out and add them to my journal. Terry, thank you so much. I'm super happy that she is back on YouTube. She had taken a rest and now she's back with her new channel, Talon's Place. If you'd like to check it out, she has amazing crafty ideas. She's hosting Enjoy Green with Us with Kim's Inspired Life, and she's also doing Hearts All Year, which she's co-hosting with Susan's Heartstrings. So many fun ideas there, so make sure to check out her channel. Let's open it up and see what Terry sent. So I'm just gonna pull this stuff out. I'm gonna put that right there. Oh my gosh. Let me make sure I have the letter. I'm assuming this might be the letter. It says answering the questions for the challenge. Yes, so for my postcard challenge, I had 3 different things that you could write. You could tell me why you love my channel or like my channel or why you watch my channel. Tell me about where you're from, and if I ever visit, what are the things I should look forward to? And the third prompt was to let me know what you're looking forward in the spring. So let's see what Terry has answered. And I love the beautiful stickers here. It says, where flowers bloom, so there's hope. That is so true. Let's open this up. So I'm going to put her beautiful envelope here so that you can look at that. And let's read her letter. So it says Postcard Challenge 2026 with Paper Confessions with Karamia. And postcards are printed images from Google. It's so hard to find postcards from Santa Clara, but if I find them, I'll include them. Thank you, Terry. The city that she lives in, Santa Clara, California, the country that I'm from, United States of America, and she has some really cute Snoopy stickers here. It says, what I like about your channel. I have enjoyed your channel for many years when I was Terry01. Your crafting style was nice and easy, as is your voice when you explain things. You welcome all of your subscribers and make them feel at home. I also like your relationship with your 2 daughters as you shared your experiences together as they grew up. I like the books you find as well as all the other thrift treasures. Why should you visit USA? Our country is not as warm as friendly as it used to be, but there are parts of the country where you can go and enjoy the lay of the land. There's a lot of historic value here, as it is one place everyone wanted to come during the gold rush. Iconic words, go west, young man. That's really cool. Aside from the expensive real estate and digital age the Bay Area has become, with Apple, Microsoft, Google, Adobe, etc., there are some farm areas and wine tasting that can be had north of these crowded destinations in California. I've traveled all across the U.S. 4 times and have enjoyed the ride in different places I've been to, so it's definitely still a nice place to visit. The third prompt that she's answering, she says, what I look forward to doing in the spring. I look forward to seeing lots of flowers and going places that exhibit them for free. I look forward to getting out more, doing some volunteering and teaching craft classes like I used to, making handmade greeting cards using my handmade kits. I'm on 2 collabs and will continue to craft for those events and hope to inspire others. Thank you for hosting this challenge, Clarissa. Terry. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful letter. And here are the Snoopy guys there. Terry, oh my gosh, what a nice letter indeed. And this is why I love this. This is why I created this postcard challenge, is to hear from you guys and hear your insight, your perspective. And Terry has just done that. All of you guys, everyone that shared that has definitely touched my heart. So thank you so much for making me feel special. Terry had mentioned about her kits, and I have purchased them in the past, and I hope she can bring it back and really get back to teaching what she loves. And her saying every time at the end of her video is do what you love. So that is amazing. So I love the strawberry stickers, Terry. That's so cute. But let's see what she made here. Oh my gosh. So we'll put that for you to look at. Oh my gosh, Terry, I love this. Oh my God. Terry's one of the, oh my gosh, she's like one of the original crafters that I've known here on YouTube that has always inspired me. Actually, during the pandemic, she's one of the channels that kind of got me through that time. It was a very hard time for everyone, and it just kept me going with my crafting and kind of exploring different things. But look at her make a beautiful memory decks card. I love Snoopy. It says, "You are the rainbow of my life." I love it. And there it is. Talents Plays Designs. That's her YouTube video, handmade by Terry. This is so special, my dear friend. That's so sweet. And let's see what's in here. Is this an ATC card? Love the baggies. We both love Daiso. Oh my gosh. Thank you for sharing this with me. Oh my gosh. Check this out. Terry, I love it so much. Oh, I love it. Moments like this. Look at that hug with Snoopy and Woodstock. And then we have the spring flowers, a cute little ladybug. And in the back, it says Artist Trading Card 1 of 1. And she made this February 2025. Thank you so much for sharing this with me. I really love it. Thank you. Ooh, I see Dr. Seuss. Oh my gosh, you've shared some Easter Peanuts, the Snoopy stickers. I love it. There's 42 of them in there. So thank you. Thank you so much, Terry. Oh my gosh, this is so generous. And what do we have here? The Cat in the Hat. I found this at Goodwill for $2.50. Thought you might be able to use it. I love it. And I will definitely actually add this to my collection. I'm not sure if I have this in my Dr. Seuss collection of books. So Terry, thank you so much. And what a great find for $2.50 in such great condition. That's so cool. But we have more goodies to open up here. Let's see what this is. Look at the packaging. Oh my gosh. And that map washi, we'll have to save that and see how I can add it to more of our junk journaling makes here. Oh, wow. What is in here? Let's see. We have, oh my gosh, some fun. I believe it's Tim Holtz, right? And these are fun. This is from the 1920s and maybe somewhere in the 1800s. I'm not sure, but this definitely shows the 20s. So thank you for sharing that. I love it. And I spy postcards. But let me go this way and show you this. Oh my gosh. Terry and I love Winnie the Pooh. And oh, she's so sweet to share this with me. Let me open it up. This is a card. So this is a beautiful card, and I believe it's from Daiso. There's a beautiful envelope to match. And so you open it up, I believe this way, and then you can write a message. I don't want to mess it up. It's just too pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you some of the images there. How cool is that? And then I love the gold foil. And then you put your message in there. That is super cool. And what do we have here? That's the other thing, guys. I had said for my challenge, you can also, if you can't find a postcard in your area, which is becoming really rare for some places, you can make your handmade postcard. And it looks like she's made one. But let's open up this little envelope with the cute muffin corner critters here. Oh, she's added some postage stamps. Oh my gosh, Terry. This is so cool. Let me save this washi. I'm just gonna place it right here. So let's take a look at the stamps that she included. I think there's a note, so let me read the note first and see what she said. She said, "Hi Clarissa, thanks for hosting this fun postcard challenge. These stamps are historic as they are of the Rocky Mountains in Colorado. 1878 is significant because the Great Eclipse, among other things, a total solar eclipse, passed over the Rocky Mountains, and I hope you're doing well as your girls. Take care, Terry." Look at her beautiful handwriting. Amazing. Thank you so much to share something that had a historic significance with the eclipse. So that is amazing. I love it. Thank you very much. I love that stamp. We are going to add that. And now let's open up her handmade postcards. I'm excited. I'm going to flip it over because it looks like the opening's on this side. Oh, here it is, I think. Let's see. Careful, careful. Wow, okay. Love the flowers on this one. Oh, I think she also, oh, how cool. Oh my gosh. This is the back. It says Santa Clara, California. And what she's done is printed an image, laminated it. How smart is that? I love it. One, because this will be preserved for many years. It's not going to get frayed because of the lamination. And this is amazing. Thank you so much for sharing that. We have this one, and there's a second one here. So this one's San Francisco. How cool. And oh my gosh. So Terry and I have worked in the city, and we both know the commute, and it's so nice to see a streetcar that you featured here. I love it. This is awesome. So, and this is again something she printed and laminated. Such a smart idea. And then there you have our postage stamp. Super, super cool. Again, a big thank you to Terry. Please make sure to check out her channel. It is Talent's Place. I'll link it down below. And if you guys want to see what the other entries were and what they look like, make sure to check out the playlist giveaway. I'll have them hopefully all lined up for you so that you can kind of binge watch it and see what everybody's sent so far. Thanks again for watching, guys. Terry, thank you so much. I'm sending you big warm hugs and good luck. I'll see you next time. Bye.